How to create a king account on Candy Crush Saga. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a king account on your Candy Crush Saga application. So first thing first, simply head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded this Candy Crush Saga application. And once you're inside here, you can see there is a gear icon settings option on the top bottom left corner. So simply click on it, and from over here just hit the my account button over here, and here you can see there's option to sign up with your email or continue with Facebook. You can choose any of it, but to create a king account you must select the sign up with email. So once you're inside here, you can see it's the page where you can create your king account. So if you already have a king account, you can just click on this login button, this green login button over here. But if you don't have, simply click on this email button and start writing your email and password. So once you type in your email and password, simply click on create king account, and you might as well save your password. So simply click on confirm, and if you want any game offers or something like that, you can choose yes or don't send me. So I will just select the second option, and just like that you have successfully created your king account, and now your game will now be saved, so you can continue playing on any device. So you can also change your nicknames from by simply clicking on this edit button and saving this, which will be publicly available. So that is exactly how you can easily create your king account on your Candy Crush Saga. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.